would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Just stay till the morning.
Who do you see, Sydney? The Easter Bunny. Bye. You're allowed to. Oh. You want those? Those are chewy gummies?
Yeah.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back. Sydney, what did we just go do?
And had an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah, we went to go to a little Easter egg hunt locally. These are Sour Patch Kids. They're sour. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I met the Easter Bunny, you guys.
Sydney got to meet the Easter Bunny. It was so cute. I got to meet one of you guys. One of you popped up and said hello, so thank you so much if that was you. I forgot to grab your name. But yeah, we just had so much fun. So now we're gonna drive home and check out some treats. But Sydney wanted to eat, of course, some of her candy. That was so cute. I'm so like happy our community does things like that, you know, for our kids. It's just so much fun now that we have our babies. All right. They're chewy, okay?
Okay.
So cute. I'm gonna meet you guys back at home because apparently my camera battery is dead. Are they sour?
Uh-huh.
I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight.
Guys, it is the next day. We played outside all day yesterday after the Easter egg hunt, and I just picked up some groceries, so I wanted to go ahead and show you what we got for the week. I am planning a spring cook with me and a bunch of recipes later this week, so be on the lookout for that, but I'm gonna quickly go through and show you. I also picked up a Target order, got some candy, you know, anyhow. Let's see. So I got a thing of Kalamata olives. I plan on doing a Mediterranean inspired dish. So I got those. I got a thing of fresh baby spinach, a green mix for some salads. I'm gonna do like a Mexican street style salad. So I did get also some coleslaw mix. This is just a kit with the coleslaw mix. I actually think this is pretty good. It tastes pretty good to me. I got Sydney some waffles. For myself, I love the Purely Elizabeth granola, so I got the chocolate peanut butter kind. I don't think I've tried this flavor before, but I really do like their other, like the cinnamon peanut butter one. So I'm probably gonna do like yogurt parfaits, or you can do banana wraps with peanut butter and sprinkled with granola. That's so yummy. So like I said, I got some yogurt, non-fat Greek vanilla yogurt, just nothing special. Some cottage cheese for Sydney, so, well, for me too, I guess for both of us. Chive cottage cheese, yum. I love chive flavored stuff. Oh, at Target I got some orange juice, 100% orange juice, no pulp. Let's see, some chips. Oh my word, you guys, these ones are some of my favorites. I hardly ever get them, but when I do, it is this kind, the hint of lime chips. Again, like I said, for my like not taco salad, but I don't know, like Mexican street salad thing. So I got that. I did get some Aloha peppers. These are just like striped, so they look cute. Sydney likes them too. Got 2 of those. I did get Sydney's right there. Yeah, I got a bag of avocados, some cotija cheese. I love cotija cheese, and I cannot wait to make that salad. Yummy. I also got some feta to go with the Mediterranean things that I'm making. Got some broccolini, some olives, sorry, Kamata tomatoes. I really like those, and I like the deep, rich color of those. I also got some asparagus. I have, like I said, some yummy recipes I'm making, so asparagus. I actually haven't tried this, but this reminds me of the seasoning that I just got from Trader Joe's. This is the taco seasoning, like cheesy style. I think that's going to be delicious. Some orzo for the Mediterranean pasta salad that I'm making, some limes, lemons. We decided to get some pineapple this week. It's actually been a while since we've had pineapple, so I thought that would be yummy. I did get a shake and bake. I like to have this in my pantry, but I actually haven't had it in a while, just for an easy go-to like chicken dinner. So original shake and bake. I got some dill. Yum, I love dill. Like dressings and I love dill. Anywho. An onion, did I say an onion? Yeah. I got some canned veggies, so some sliced beets, some carrots, and sweet corn as well. This is my favorite salsa ever to go with these chips. The Bren's Mild. Oh, if it will focus. I don't think it's going to focus. Anyway, it's like a sweet and spicy. It's really, really yummy. This with the lime chips is just to die for, in my opinion. Some classic old-fashioned oats for oatmeal for breakfast and whatnot. I did get some crescent rolls. I plan on making something fun and festive with that this week. Let's see, blackberries. They were on sale and I was really craving blackberries myself. I also got a parsley plant. This was totally random, but I saw it and it actually looked better than any of the other parsley that was there. So why not? So maybe I'll grow some parsley this year. And then I also got a cold seasoned rotisserie chicken. I'll probably do something with that for tonight for dinner. Is that what I picked up? Yeah, I think that is pretty much everything. Like I said, I did grab some BUNNY stuff in there. And yeah, that's what we got going on for groceries. Okay, what is this one? Good job. Look at it. IT.
IT.
Says it. It. IS. Look at it. Yeah, say it again.
Is.
Is. Is.
Is.
It. In. Nice work. Give me a high five. I am just loving all of the plant babies in the house. All of. I only have a couple. This palm plant is doing really well. I have it over here in the corner. I don't know if I showed you where I put it after the IKEA vlog, but I decided on having it over here in the corner. It gets plenty of light, not direct sunlight, and I don't know, I just feel like it's a good space for it. I also decided to to move this table. Don't mind, the sun is shining in that window. And yeah, you can tell I haven't washed that table in 2 days. So need to wash that table, obviously. And then I'm about to sit down, chat with you guys, fold that pile of laundry that's just always there, I feel like. Anyway, I moved this table over here. It used to be over there because kids would, you know, bang their head on it all the time. And I just finally figured we would, you know, make it an actual like table that we could eat dinner on. Eventually, if you guys follow on Instagram, you know, eventually I want to get a laptop so I don't have the desktop just sitting in my living space on my table. So eventually I'll do that and change out this table, but that's not a priority for me at all. But I have my parsley sitting here in the sun getting some sunshine. But yeah, the other day I was bored, so I decided to kind of rearrange, move some furniture. But don't mind me. Actually, it's okay, sweetie. This is like a 3-day vlog going on here. Yesterday it was just super dark and rainy, so anyway, I'm picking this up. Hi honey. Picking this up the next morning, so I still haven't like gotten myself ready for the day, but I'm gonna finally fold this pile of laundry. I actually went to bed so early last night. I didn't do the laundry. Like after dinner, I was just so exhausted. So I ended up watching the morning show. I just started that because I just got Apple TV like free. Didn't realize that I had a free thing because I bought my phone. Anyway, so free for a year. So I just started the morning show and I watched, I think, 2 episodes of that last night on my phone in my bed, like as I was trying to keep my eyes open, which I really like so far. Anyway, so I ignored the laundry and just thought a lot of it. So amazing.
Sorry, loud, Mommy.
You're being loud. Sydney's playing with her stepping stones right now. What are you gonna do? She's setting up all her friends, playing with her stepping stones. And I'm just gonna have like a little chit chat with you guys while I fold this laundry and chaos unfolds behind the scenes. We have been doing a lot of preschool activities. Not a lot, I shouldn't say a lot, but like spending probably like a half hour every day just doing learning activities. The whole sight words thing, we just started that like 3 days ago. I've been taking the lead from Deanna over on Instagram from ABCD Learning. I can't remember, I think it's ABCD Learning is her handle on Instagram. I don't know. We chat through DMs, so I feel like she's like my friend. But I get a lot of inspiration from her as far as activities go, and because she's a teacher. So just kind of practicing those little sight words here and there. And then doing like printable activities. I got the Easter pack from totschooling.net for free. So we've been working through the Easter pack, just doing like little things here and there. And then her Homer app, which I'll have a link down below if you guys want to sign up for that. You can do a 30-day free trial. Sydney really likes Homer, so we've been doing that for a while. As I chat, I guess I should fold since this has been here forever. Anyway, I feel like since I stopped doing my like 3-day-a-week strict upload schedule, I feel a little disconnected. And also because I'm not vlogging, every single video is not a vlog, which I love, by the way. It's keeping me like going, and I'm not getting super bored and redundant. I don't feel like it is. And I know a lot of times people love vlogs, but it also helps me like keep the spice alive with my channel, especially because, you know, we're not necessarily doing a whole lot, but I do try to vlog when we do things to try to keep it a little bit interesting. As far as Easter goes, we are going to be able to see my family this year. As of, you know, right now, we haven't seen my whole family since Sydney's 3rd birthday, so over a year. And so we're going to be able to get together for Easter, it looks like, and, you know, try to be safe and keep everyone healthy and all that. So, you know, that's a positive, and I can't wait. I'm so ready to see family again, like so ready for that. So it's just like a breath of relief. I don't know, like I just can't wait. Family is everything. As you get older, like you appreciate it so much more, especially with everything going on. But anywho, so that is that. Sydney's room is going to be coming together shortly here. I know I've been talking about it for months, like since before since before, you know, the new year. But that is finally coming together. I installed her blackout blinds. Oh my word, I feel like it took 2 months for me to get those in and installed just because of shipping issues. They sent me incomplete. They didn't send the hardware the first time, and then customer service basically told me to return them and order them again, so I did, but they took like 3 weeks each time for shipping and all that. So it's just a slow process, which is fine. I'm not complaining about it, but that's why you guys have probably been like, where's her room reveal coming and why is it not done? It's just because things, you know, are taking a little bit longer to get to me, and then my indecisiveness, of course, but we're finally getting there, making some progress. Yeah, planting. I think I'm going to start my seeds probably tomorrow. So I really cannot wait. I really wanted to wait until we had a couple of I knew there were going to be some cloudy, rainy days. So I really wanted to wait until I had a good stretch of sun to get things moving in the house. So I have all the windows open, the sun shining in, which is making me so happy. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I want to have like a girl chat to just catch up with you guys. I don't know. Does it feel that way for you? Maybe it doesn't, but it feels like I haven't chatted in so long. Doing well over here. getting outside as much as possible lately with Sydney to get some exercise and fresh air, and just feeling really grateful for sunshine and warmer weather ahead. Looking forward and looking ahead and getting excited. I really want to start planning my next Disney trip. Maybe for the fall, maybe next year. I don't know. Like, I just want to have it on the horizons to have something to do. Obviously, you know, no one knows what things are going to be like however many months from now, but just to get something to look forward to. And then just, I don't know. Anyway, I am going to let you guys go here, finish this pile of laundry, and you will see some awesome, oh, that's what I was talking about when Sydney was talking to me, spring recipes later this week. I'm really excited to start making them today. And then gardening, starting gardening. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye, you guys. Thumbs up.
Yeah, give it a thumbs up. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Okay.